Hey y'all, so we're gonna jump right in. The unit I'll be rocking today is from Unice. They sent some really good items with this unit. You guys, like, look at this edge brush. The bristles you can switch out. It has two different heads, which is interchangeable, so you can clean one, set the other one to the side. I feel like that was just so innovative and smart to make, so I really like that. So this is the 7x5 Byebyeknots wig. It's a glueless HD lace wet and wavy water wave invisible knot unit with the drawstring in the back. So as you guys can see, it has an elastic band, removable band, adjustable straps. Also has the drawstring that is really nice and flat, so love that. So yes, very beautifully constructed. It has a little grippy so it doesn't fall off your head. So I'm just pushing my locks back and I'm just gonna go ahead and put this wig cap on. I'm going to take the edge brush and I'm just going to go ahead and brush out my real edges because I'm going to be using them. Now you can go ahead and use the baby hairs out of the wig, but I like to do mine like this because it gives it a more natural feel. So I'm just going to go ahead and spray some lace tint and spray all over the lace so that it matches my skin tone. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and put the wig on and I'm going to go ahead and get it adjusted onto my head and get it situated. Look at the lace, y'all, bomb. So I'm just getting a ponytail holder because we're going to put it into a ponytail. Look how good it looks, and I haven't even attached it. So I'm going to take the drawstring and I'm just going to pull that as tight as I would like it. So I didn't use the adjustable strap or the removable band because the drawstring did the job for me. I love how they give you many options, so you can just use what works for you. So I'm just going to brush the hairline back. As you guys can see, the lace is laying super flat already. I'm just going to take some hairspray and that's how I'm going to tack it down. Now you can apply it glueless. Y'all know I don't do no glueless, nothing. Okay, my wig needs to be on. It be windy outside. I don't have no time for my wig to be blowing in the wind. I absolutely love these thin wig bands like Unice. Yes, y'all are doing y'all big one. Okay, quality, quality, quality. Look at the unit. It is laid. I'm adding a little makeup. Now I'm just going to do my baby hairs. Y'all know these are my real edges. I got a low hairline. I'm going to swoop them around with some edge control and call it a day. Okay, so next I'm just going to go ahead and take the ponytail out that I put in the back. I'm going to go ahead and fluff out the hair. I did apply a little bit of mousse and a little bit of the wax stick, just a little bit. But first I'm going to get that part together with a little bit of black spray. I didn't even put no concealer. I'm just putting the black spray. So yes, y'all see the unit? Really, really beautiful. I like my hair big. I don't like no, I don't know. You can put a bunch of stuff in it and make it more elongated. But yeah, like I said, I put the wax stick in. I put a little bit of mousse, you know, just to tame it a bit. But I like the hair big. It just works for me. So I'm only putting a little bit. Alright, so this is what the back of the unit looks like. Very full, nice and fluffy, great quality, really soft. I'm going to give y'all a close-up of this lace. Look at this lace, get into it. You cannot tell me this is not coming out of my scalp. Okay, this is my hair. I grew this for 12 years now. But it looks so good and natural. I'm loving it. I already know that middle part bust down. I'm going to eat down every single time. Can y'all believe I like a middle part now? I can't even believe it. But I got to show y'all another style. So I'm just going to do two little twisties to the back and add some little mini claw clips. Such a cute and girly style. Something quick. You can do this anywhere. And it just elevates the wig, you know? Like, and I'm adding a little bit of black spray to hide my wig cap. Okay? That's a tip. Super beautiful. Super pretty. I love this. You know, I gotta do another style. So this style number 3. So I'm just gonna do some bangs in the front, and then I'm just gonna take my brush and brush the hair a little bit so I can get it in the direction that I want it to go. So I'm just gonna pull it all to the back, and y'all see how it is giving so in. Like, I'm telling you, if you got a low hairline, just wear your hairline out. It's gonna look nice. So I'm gonna gather all of the hair, and then I'm gonna kind of like swirl it around, and I'm gonna add in a claw clip, because you know claw clips are trending. That is what is in right now. Everybody is loving a claw clip. So I'm just going to put that at the back of my hair and kind of fluff out the hair. And this is really cute. Gives it another look if you don't want the hair down. It looks really nice. It'll look cute with a dress or, you know, date night. Super, super cute.
Hello, you guys. So this unit, as y'all know, is from Unice. This is their 7x5 Byebyeknots wig, quick glueless HD wet and wavy water wave. This is a long title. Invisible knots wig. Period. So this is the unit. Very, very beautiful, very natural, very HD. I use my real hairline. So I love that for me. I use my real hairline and it looks beautiful. Okay? When I say my real hairline, I mean my girl, baby. I'm talking about I use my real hairline. I use my real edges. It does come in the middle part, which we love. The hair is really, really nice and full. This is in 24 inches, so it is long. But look at the lace, you guys. It's super HD, super thin, super flat to my head. We love that. Unice is their biggest one. So yeah, I don't like using the baby hair out of the wigs if I don't have to, especially if I have a 7x5 closure or any 7x any closure. I can just use my natural hairline and then it kind of looks more like a sew-in versus looking like a wig. I feel like it looks a little bit more natural and then I don't have to worry about like trying to fix the baby hairs. But this unit is beautiful. I put mousse on it, but I actually love it big like this. So this is how I'm going to wear it. Y'all, it's really nice quality. It's super full, but it's not so full to the point where it looks unrealistic. The parting is really nice. The parting space goes back really, really far. I absolutely love this cap with the drawstring in the back. That's really dope. I love that this has the drawstring. I really, really love that. I'm loving that these companies are incorporating that these days. So shout out to Unice for that because the drawstring is a game changer. Because the adjustable straps are cool and even the elastic band that you can like remove. This is a game changer. And also this thin band. Yes, ma'am. Y'all doing y'all big one with that. I absolutely love the unit. It is beautiful, 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 beautiful. It looks amazing. Look at this, y'all. Like, you can't tell me this not coming out my scalp, honey. You can't tell me this not my hair coming out my scalp because it is. I love that for me. But the unit is beautiful, you guys. Honestly, 10 out of 10 would highly recommend. You can do different styles with it. And it's nice because it's not a full lace, so you don't have to worry about them side tabs. You can pull it back into a ponytail. You know, it's very versatile. So I like that about this unit. So make sure y'all go ahead and cop y'all one if y'all in need of a water wave wig for this upcoming summer. But shout out to them. Everything about them will be in the description box below. This beautiful unit that I'm rocking, and I'm giving a 10 out of 10 that you need to go ahead and cop because it's beautiful. Like, I don't have no complaints. Like, it don't even feel like I got nothing on my head. I love the cap construction. It's amazing. A drawstring, adjustable straps, removable band, and combs. Ain't nobody doing it like them. They said, I'm going to give it to you in multiple ways so you can figure out how you want to put it on your head. And I really like that because it gives you those options. Everything about Unice will be in the description box below. The wig that I'm rocking will also be linked in the description box below as well. Hope y'all enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching, and I will see y'all in my next one. Bye.